These are major time frame of gold for intraday H1 up to investing on weekly time frame. But we will start this video with daily time frame. Last week on Friday it made a perfect hammer on daily time frame on this 1785 horizontal support. You can call this head and shoulder chart pattern powered by Putin, his left shoulder, right shoulder, and this his head. This was the top of our trend at 2070 when speculation for Fed rate hike was started, and now it is making double bottom. In 6 months you can see effect of Fed tight monetary policy in every asset class. So all the people who were saying gold will go up on rate hike, but it came down from all-time high to this double bottom at 1785. And I am saying same thing before Ukraine invasion. But new quarter and second half of the year has been started, and Fed cannot keep raising interest rate for next 6 months. And in this 6-month rate hike cycle, you can see richest billionaire have already lost $1.4 trillion in just 6 months, and US government is run by top 1%. And I don't think US government have confidence to continue this tightening policy for next 6 months. If they do, then all of these billionaires will become millionaire, and in the last they will be poor. So speculation for next 6 months and 3 months has been started that Fed will stop raising interest rate, and it will be confirmed when they will hike 50 instead of 75 basis point, and which will be dependent on upcoming data, because before this hammer PCE inflation and ISM data both came down, which give us first sign that recession has been started. And this week we have NFP, and you can see expectation number are already down, and a negative shock will increase recession risk, because Fed cannot keep raising interest rate into recession. It will completely kill their economy. And everybody know before coronavirus Elon Musk was not richest person. So in next FOMC meeting this month they will raise 50 or 75, and in September their clear signal for rate pause. But investors are already betting that Fed will cut in 2023. That means after 6 months. So all of these things are bullish for gold, recession, and Fed rate cut come in 2023, because all of these data are just beginning, and all of these things are confirmed by this hammer on daily time frame. And if you draft your retracement from top to bottom, then our 38% retracement is 1893, and all of the bulls who are buying at 1785 all the time till price made bottom, they will not stop until price make at least 1893 retracement, and this entire area is our resistance zone. This is the first target for all of these buyers. For a confirmed bearish trend for gold, daily candle has to close below 1785. As long as price is trading above that level, gold price are bullish and fundamental are already bullish for gold. So this is the bottom, and this yellow resistance area is their first target. And if you know how double bottom works, then first it will retest this high, then break, retest, and it will keep making higher high, higher low. Because this government of top 1% cannot raise interest rate in every next meeting, and gold is a magical thing which goes up both in inflation and deflation. So this was the time when gold price were going up because Fed was ignoring inflation, saying transitory. This when Ukraine invasion was started, the risk of deglobalization, and Fed has confirmed that risk of deglobalization is real, and now they are planning for next Iron Curtain, and that will officially declare end of globalization. And next trend will be recession, when deflation will start and send gold up. And if you go to weekly time frame, then you know our downside support is 1677, and which can break if Fed raise 100 basis point in next FOMC meeting, but they are already confused between 50 and 75. If all the upcoming data, NFP and CPI came down, then they will only raise 50, and which will start speculation for rate cut next year, or maybe they announce during Christmas. So these two are only support on weekly time frame, and this yellow resistance area is first resistance level. So low of this double bottom is your SL, and this high is your first target. If you go to H4 time frame, then you can see there is a no big resistance before 1857, and our initial resistance 1805 is already broken. So your next trade plan is retracement and retest of 1805, then new higher high up to 1857. Because this week you have FOMC minute, then NFP on Friday July 8. If you go to H1 time frame, where intraday trader take their trade, our bottom is 1785, which was confirmed by these two hammer, and all this information is already available in our Telegram channel. Because I do not make video every day, so Telegram channel is for daily update. And if you have missed this double hammer buying entry on this double bottom support, then you can take entry again, but your SL should be 1785, and now you just wait for retracement. because first upside target is at least 38% retracement at 1821, then 50% retracement at 1832, and we all know 1830 is a super strong resistance and support level on H1 time frame, because this has been tested many times last year, because this is our retracement level from top at 1879 to bottom at 1785, and after this support our first resistance was 1807 and it is breaking. So if it make new high, then wait for retracement and a confirmation of support on this 1807 support level by hammer, then new higher high. When price made this top at 2070, retail trader did not imagine that gold will go 1680, and now they are obsessed that gold will go 1680, but that macro trend has been ended and everyone is waiting for official announcement. So all the people who still think that gold will go 1680, then wait for clear breakout on daily time frame of 1785, then you can take entry on retest and sale will with TP of 1680.